Hi, I'm Chien. Today I would like to kickstart a new training course to explore Atlassian Confluence. In terms of project management, if you are a project manager and you want to have a system or a tool to help you manage some of the documentation in the project in a professional way, so the Confluence will be a best choice for you. So now, in this video today, I would like to run through what will be learned in this training course. Okay, let's get started. In this training course, you will have 13 lessons. In the first day, you will learn how to create a free Confluence account for yourself, and then you can share the same Confluence for other people working together in the project. But in the free plan, it will be support for a small project. If you are working in a big project, you have to purchase the license. And then after we already have an account, so we will explore what we have in the Confluence. And then we also know how to create a working space in the Confluence. We have a lot of templates. It will help you to create the right working space for the project, depending on the industry. Day number 4, you will learn how to create a Jira project to collaborate with the Confluence. The Jira and Confluence will be designed by Atlassian, and it will be support together to improve the working process as well as the performance in the team. So actually, when we use the Confluence, we will be also using Jira to manage the project. We will learn how to add the user and also set permission for each user on the Confluence page. If you are the admin or project manager in the Confluence page, so you also want to create some of the page layout for the purpose. We also learn how to work with some macro or extension in Confluence. In this of using some the default extension or macro support by Confluence, if we already purchase the license, so we are able to install some extension which will be helpful for the project. The next days you will learn how to manage files in Confluence. You are able to upload the file, create some folder, and then you can set the permission for some specific people to see the content on the Confluence page. The most important feature is export the content from the Confluence to other format. If you are the administrator of the working space, so you are able to export all the content and data of the Confluence page into some format like the HTML, the PDF, and XML format. And then you can use the format in XML to import it again into the Confluence in the future. You also learn how to check the changes in any page. For example, if you are working in a team and you see there are some difference or some missing data on this current page, so you can see some the historical data of the each page by using the page history feature. So you can do comparison to see what is the difference and what was changed by other people, and then you can roll it back to the other version. You will also learn how to create a template in Confluence. By default, Confluence will be support you a lot of the template, but in case if you think the default blueprint templates do not support for the purpose, so you can do the customization by revive the existing templates or even create a new template for yourself. And the last video, you will learn how to move and reorder spaces in Confluence based on the purpose. Okay, so this is the overview picture of the training course. And I hope after you finish all of the video in this training course, it will be helpful for you if you know how to apply the Confluence in your project management in the future. Okay, thank you for watching and see you guys in the first lesson for register a free Confluence account in the next day. Bye bye.